Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at how to add a video using the video pop-up block. I have a section here where I want to add a pop-up video, so I'll start by adding the video pop-up block. Inside the block, the supported child blocks include the paragraph block, heading block, image block, and the featured image block. I'll add an image block to use it as a thumbnail for the video. I can customize this image just like any other image block. I'll change the image fit to contain and set the height to 300 pixels. Next, I'll select the pop-up block and add the link to the YouTube video. Make sure you use the full video URL directly from the browser's address bar. YouTube's share link will not work here. Now let's preview the page. You can see the play icon appear on the image. When I click on it, the video opens in a pop-up viewer. The video pop-up block makes it easy to display videos using the thumbnail while opening the video in a pop-up. This helps reduce page load time and keeps users on your site instead of sending them to the video hosting platform.